what is today's topic on Coffee and Questions? I ran across something I think is a good deal, and I'll explain to you why and how you can get it a little bit better discount. I got tired of when I'm not working my regular job, I bounce around and do handyman kind of work, quick, easy jobs for people. And I would always have to load and unload my ladder out of my truck, and it was a big pain in the butt. When I was out at Harbor Freight, I saw these on sale a while back. It was $20, and I thought, hey, you know what? I'm going to get one. It's nice. It's collapsible. It has that handle on there. I fit it right underneath the back seat of my truck. Makes it so much easier to grab and go rather than unloading and loading a ladder, putting it in the garage, bringing it out of the garage. This thing just stores so nicely, and I just pop it out. It's great for inside work and outside work, depending on what you're doing. I was using it to repair a ceiling fan for somebody. It just was ideal for me, and it was a quick, easy thing. It's nice to have. So, what are my recommendations? I would tell you if you don't have one, it's well worth buying. It's a good buy. It's constructed really well. Doesn't have anything that's going to mark up the floors. It's got those plastic feet on the bottom. It gets 4.5-star review even on the site. And it's not just good for the handyman work. I mean, I have a GMC truck and it sits up kind of high. So if I'm washing the truck or I'm doing something that requires that extra boost in height, I just reach in underneath the back seat, pull this thing out, flip it together, go ahead, wash, do what I got to do. Or if you need to work on the engine bay of a lifted truck or something, it gives you that extra height. So like I say, it's good for a multitude of things. People use them. There's a little table and all kinds of, different things that they do in their crafts or whatever they're doing. But I would tell you do one of a couple things. Wait till it goes on sale. From time to time it will, and the price is at $20. Right now it's at $30. However, you can use that 20% coupon and that'll drop it to $24. The difference between $20, $24 depending on your need. Maybe you want to wait for it, maybe you don't. I mean, it's only $4. I would tell you, go ahead and get it. It is a damn good value. I really like the locking mechanism on these legs. When you open it up, the locking mechanism, I mean, you just put it right over it, it clicks on there, and that prevents that collapsing. When you're done, you release it, you fold it, and for me, it stores so nicely, and it's been nice. I mean, just not to have to load and unload those ladders, even though I keep saying that. It's a pain. I mean, to have to do it every day on every little job. Here's some pictures I added in before we conclude here. This shows you it collapsed down on the upper left. Nice, easy storage, like I said. The bottom left, it shows you the bottom of the feet on this so that you don't need to worry about tearing up somebody's floor. Top right shows it unfolded sitting outside. I mean, you can see how, like I said, it has the metal flip locks on there. The bottom on the right is actually showing a close-up view of them and the locking mechanism for the legs, so you don't have to worry about it collapsing on you. Okay, something you should consider buying. Okay, so let me flip over and we will start to conclude the video. One of the questions is, what is the weight capacity? Max 350 pounds. I mean, and it says right up on top, it's an 18-inch working platform step stool made by Hallmaster. Again, 4.5 stars. Either wait for it, but I mean, when you're out there, I mean, if you really think about it, I mean, it's nice. I mean, it stores so easily, even in a garage. You could put it on one of the shelves or something. Doesn't take up much space. I think it's a damn good value. It's a quick tip of the day for you. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you folks click subscribe, follow me, drop a comment if you have one of these or if you know of something better. I can tell you that they're better than those plastic ones you get at the big box stores. It's aluminum. The flip locks here on the side, I believe those are made out of steel. They feel like it on mine. It's a thin gauge steel, but it's very adequate. So click subscribe, follow me. I'll see you folks on the next video, and I hope you buy one and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.